thought I would do another filming day. And before I started filming, I thought I would film my makeup that I'm going to use for my YouTube video. So this is probably going to be another chatty kind of video. If I'm looking down, I'm sorry, my makeup, my mirror is down there, or if I'm looking down, it's because my mirror is right beneath my camera. I'm filming on my phone. My setup is in my other room, which does not have natural light, so I just didn't want to dismount it, bring it here to film this. Anyway, let's get started. I've already done my face prepped. On my lips, I have Summer Fridays lip balm. I'm gonna use a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime Fix It. I'm gonna just spray this all over my face while I'm talking. That went right in my mouth. And then I'm gonna let that dry. So then I am going to use El Maquillage, what is it called? No Filter. Just gonna use 2 pumps of that. And I'm gonna dot it all around my face, like so. And I usually concentrate most of it on my T-zone where I am more oily, and then just kind of feather it everywhere else. Underneath my eyes. And this this primer, it feels really smooth and really silky on the face. So, and it allows my makeup to my foundation to kind of glide on a little bit more. Then I'm gonna use, excuse me, I'm sitting on the floor, so not the most comfortable. But I'm gonna use the Anti-Wrinkle Blur Factor for Eyes from Trivecta. I think that's what it's called. Do I have that upside down? Maybe. And this leaves a little bit of a cast, so a little bit goes a long way. Excuse me. Yeah, a little bit goes a long way. And I'm sorry, I'm looking down, but I am going to be patting that all under my eye. And it's gonna allow my concealer, my underneath eye concealer, to not smudge or move. I'm gonna tell you, I think I used a little too much. Gonna pull that down a little bit near my nose. Then I'm gonna use my foundation, which is the El Maquillage Woke Up Like This 230. Give that a good shake. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hands using my, sorry, it's kind of filthy, but I use it every day and I really love this. Damp Beauty Blender. And then I'm gonna just move that too much. While I let that sit, I am going to do, then I'm going to use my concealer. Again, it's from El Maquillage. Hopefully you can see that. And it is in the number 15. And I'm gonna put that under my eye. Down the bridge of my nose. So I did my eyebrow off of camera, back to, again, with the Beauty Blender that's damp. And I kind of tend to bring my concealer a little higher, just so that it lifts up my eye. Then I'm gonna set with Laura Mercier's powder. With a Real Technique brush. Now we're gonna do my eye. I'm not gonna do any primer. I usually don't do primer on my eyes, which I should because I have really grossy eyelid. But I'm going to use the blue shadow from Black Radiance. And that's what it looks like. This is really old. And it's just, I'm gonna use my finger. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do for my eye. I have 2 toddlers, so I tend to do my makeup really simple, really basic, because I'm trying to get out the door, and the less I have to do, the better, and the less brush I have to do, the better. If I'm going out at night, I will tend to really focus on my makeup and really do it like dramatic. This to me is not as, well, I guess for some people this would be a lot, but for me, this is not that much. I'm going to use the Falsies Volume Express from Maybelline for my eyelash. And again, as I said in my previous videos, I don't tend to curl my lashes because my lashes tend to be curled upwards anyway. I love this mascara. It's really black, jet black. And I think it gives my lashes the best natural look. This is it. And then I am going to use, did I bring it? Yes, I did. I'm going to use a little bit of the Jovia #1. Super, super dark. And it's perfect for contouring. And using again my, you know what, I'm not going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to use this brush from Real Technique. And I'm going to just blend that out. As you can see, this is super dark. And then I'm just gonna buff that out. I think I used a little too much. I'll just bring it down just a little bit. Okay. So then I'm gonna brush this. Come on. I'm going to use my MAC Fix Studio Fix in NW50. It's pretty dark. And this is my actual shade color, so I'll just take a big fluffy brush, put on there, just to blend everything together, make sure everything is cohesive. Ooh. Okay. That is none. Then I usually use MAC Goddess for my blush, but I wanted to try this Milani. Yes, so this is cracked, but I'm gonna try the Milani Coral Cove 5. It is this kind of orangey, pinky color. And I'm going to use a Angle Contour Brush 12. I think this is like from Amazon. I got this from Amazon. Like so. And then for my lips, I am going to use Givenchy Le Rose Perfecto Liquid Balm in 30. And it's again this orangey coral color. I love the wand. I'm not gonna line my lip. I'm not going to. And then to finish everything off, I am going to use again the MAC Prep and Prime spray. Give it a spritz. Let that dry off. And these little pins I got from Sephora. They're really handy to get your hair not to stay out. And this is the look. If you enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I film 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday, one on Thursday, and sometimes I do one on Sunday. Lately I haven't, but I usually do a bonus on Sunday. Yeah, so let me know if you love this look, if you want to see me do more makeup look. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.